Good evening, hello and welcome. You're watching CNN News 18. This is Nation at 5 with me, Poonam Burde. There's lots lined up for you on this edition, but let's get you started with some breaking news that's coming in. Sandeep Ghosh has now decided to move Supreme Court. Remember, he's the ex-principal of the RG Medical College. He has now said that the Calcutta High Court's verdict of transferring case against him over graft allegations to the CBI was erroneous in nature, which is why he's seeking relief from the Supreme Court. My colleague Ananya now joining us, getting us more details. Ananya, the Supreme Court had transferred the case long ago. Now he is arrested. He's then sent to custody. Why this sudden appeal in the Supreme Court?
Well, this is a different case. This is not the RG Medical College main case. This is a different case with regards to the graft allegation, the allegation with regards to, the money game that he had been playing in the RG Medical College. And that is something that he is now challenged before. In fact, the Supreme Court, remember that this verdict, the Calcutta High Court had stated that, Sandeep Ghosh was doing all of this behind the back of everybody at the RG Medical College. And in fact, an independent probe to be done. And since the CBI is already investigating this matter, the CBI should investigate this aspect as well, and hence the matter was transferred to in fact the Central Bureau of Investigation. Challenging that particular order, he has now in fact approached the Supreme Court, calling that particular order erroneous and completely saying that he has been denied the principles of natural justice, he has not been heard, and now the hearing of this particular matter is likely to happen on Friday. The matter is listed before a bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice D.Y. Chanchur. So we'll have to wait and watch as to whether or not Sandeep Ghosh's voice is heard by the Supreme Court or not.
So the case has already been transferred. The Supreme Court had taken the High Court had taken several reasons into consideration, where they said that if different agencies look into cases that could be interconnected, it could be an issue. So what is going to be the argument that Sandeep Ghosh's defense puts up?
Well, Sandeep Ghosh's major defense is that he has not been heard when this order from the Calcutta High Court has been passed. He also goes on to say that there are various errors in fact, the order that has been passed by the Calcutta High Court. How well does his lawyer would actually put up this case, whether or not he will be able to secure relief from the Supreme Court or not? All of this would be answered on Friday when the matter is heard.
Ananya, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. As far as the controversy over the RG medical rape and murder case goes, that is continuing to rage in West Bengal. There are protests that are taking place in West Bengal as well. There's also comments that have come to the fore from TMC MLAs that have put the Mamata Banerjee government in the dock. Now, while the CBI is investigating the financial irregularities, the focus continues to remain on the rape and murder case of the junior doctor, which took place on the 9th of August. While the TMC says that we're doing all we can, and they passed the anti-rape law in the assembly as well yesterday, they continue to face questions from their political rivals, from protesting doctors as well. But these doctors, unfortunately, are only being mocked by one neta after another of the Trinamool Congress.